cut, it's been a minute. Working on her album, not finished. Last time I saw her, she was fucking with my nigga. So the question is, what would Pluto do? He for the hoe, so I did it. What would Pluto do? He for the hoe, so I did it. What would Pluto do? He definitely fucking on his hoe. Ayy, wiggling back into my old ways. Ayy, bunch of sedative hypnotics in my system. Okay, life is going just how I predicted. Okay, dropping 2 Cialis in a liquid. Okay, I ain't got a strap, I gotta risk it. Okay, baby girl Adonis need a sister. Okay, and my baby mama out the picture. Okay, think I'm Illuminati cause I'm rich. Well, okay, diamonds in the sky, put your face down, ass in the air. 2 cups up, ayy, bustin' all pills, keepin' shit trail, crackin' new cell, new road, order for the thrill. Too lazy even change out the wheel. Yeah, thought they knew my body, guess they don't.